Hi friends, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Mission IAS YouTube channel. I am UPSC aspirant. I am preparing for the UPSC Prelims 2020. I have exam on October 4th, 2020. For these days, I made a plan. This is 65 days plan. So this plan I divided 10 days study plan so first 10 days July 26th to August 4th, morning 7 to 9. Daily, we have to complete 2 months of current affairs. Current affairs, July 2019 to July 2020. So 7 to 9, these 2 hours of time I allotted for the current affairs. Daily 2 months of current affairs means we will complete 12 months of current affairs within 1 week of time. So remaining 3 days, we will complete important topics related to the current affairs. 9 to 9:30 breakfast time, 9:30 to 12:30 polity. We have to complete polity with previous year papers within 10 days of time. Next 12:30 to 1 lunch time. Next 1 to 3:30 ancient history. This ancient history we will complete within 4 days. Next these previous years of ancient history within 2 days. Next here 6 days will complete. Next environment and ecology we have to complete within 4 days. So 10 days will complete by here 1 to 3:30 of time. Next 3:30 to 4:30 again we have to refer current affairs if not complete in the morning session. Those current affairs we will refer here. Next 4:30 to 5 half an hour break. 5 to 6 medieval history. With these medieval history we have to complete with previous year papers within 6 days of time. Next environment and ecology within 4 days. 10 days will complete by here. Next 6 to 8 modern history 6 days. Environment for 4 days. 8 to 9 dinner time. 9:30 to 12:30 reasoning aptitude data interpretation. We have to complete these topics within 10 days. These concepts related to the second paper, CSAT paper topics. By these first 10 days of plan we will complete these topics. Current affairs, 1 year current affairs, polity, ancient history, medieval history with previous year papers, environment and ecology topic, reasoning aptitude data interpretation, and half part of the modern history. Next, this is next 10 days plan, August 5th to August 14th. Here 7 to 9 modern history. We have to start modern history and this modern history will complete within 10 days with previous year papers. 9 to 9:30 breakfast, 9:30 to 12:30 economy within 10 days. 12:30 to 1 lunch, 1 to 3:30 geography with previous year papers within 10 days. Next 3:30 to 4:30 comprehension. This comprehension is CSAT paper, second paper topic related. So this also we have to complete within 10 days of time. 4:30 to 5 break. 5 to 7 comprehension. 7 to 8 map pointing related to geography, because in geography subject we have map pointing also very important. So that means this 1 hour of time we have to utilize for atlas, reading of atlas. Next where the rivers in how many rivers are there. Next, so those type of topics we have to cover this time within 10 days of time. Next 8 to 9 dinner, 9:30 to 12:30 test series. This test series plays a very major role in this examination. If you daily practice mock test, then you will definitely get you will definitely qualify in the prelims. By this test series you will know how the UPSC board asking the questions and on which type of questions they are asking, and so all these things you may know by the test series practice. So by this 10 days of time you will complete these topics: modern history, economy, geography, comprehension. So this is third 10 days of plan, August 15th to August 24th. So here 7 to 12:30 morning, 7 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. we will complete general science within 10 days. 12:30 to 1 lunch, 1 to 3:30 international relations, 1 to 4:30. International relations we have to complete in 10 days. Next 4:30 to 5 break, 5 to 7 no 5 to and 8 art and culture we have to complete this within 10 days. 8 to 9 dinner, 9:30 to 12:30 test series. Next, so here 30 days plan will completed and total syllabus paper 1 and paper 2 of prelims will completed by this 30 days plan. Remaining we have 35 days. For this 35 days, 35 days means August 25th to September 13. So this is the revision plan. We have to revise all before 30 days which subjects we are studied, those subjects, those topics we have to revise here. From 7 to 12:30 we have to revise history revision daily. This plan is for 20 days. We have to complete this history means ancient, medieval, modern, all three topics of history we have to complete 20 days, within 20 days. So I allotted the time for history 7 to 12:30, 1 to 4:30 for polity revision, 5 to 8 for geography revision, 9 to 12 for current affairs. So here we have to revise 1 year current affairs, and August month 2020 current affairs is also very important. You have to revise each once. Next, remaining 15 days. In 35 days this plan is for 20 days. Remaining we have left 15 days. In these 15 days of plan, again 10 days. That means September 14th to September 23rd. 7 to 12:30 economy, 1 to 4:30 environment, 5 to 8 general science, 9 to 12 CSAT papers. That means CSAT paper means comprehension, reasoning, numerical ability, quantity aptitude, data interpretation. So all these which are in CSAT paper, those all topics we want to revise here. So here revision and revision of 2 papers will completed by these 10 days of plan. So remaining we have 5 days, September 24th to September 28th. These 5 days of time we have to practice full length test series, and remaining topics which we left are which topics you need not to understand, those topics you have to revise within these 5 days of time. So 65 days of study plan will completed by here. We have exam on the October 4th 2020. Remaining 5 days left. These 5 days you have to prepare all these topics, and all once you have to revise. So before the day of the exam, that means October 3rd, you don't study anything, because if you stress more, then you don't write to the exam perfectly. So all the best, friends.